Next come to the nucleoplasm. So nucleoplasm. So what is the nucleoplasm? Simply the cytoplasm like structure that is present inside the nucleus is called as the nucleoplasm. Look at the structure. This is the nucleus, and inside it the cytoplasm like structure or the watery like structure is present, and this water like structure is present, and that is called as the nucleoplasm. So the nucleoplasm, it is also called as the nuclear sap. Nuclear sap, because it is the sap like structure that is present inside the nucleus. That's why it is also called as the nuclear sap, or it is also called as the karyoplasm. So karyo means nucleus and the plasm means like the cytoplasm like structure, and because the cytoplasm like structure that is present inside the nucleus, that's why it is also called as the karyoplasm. So the nucleus, the nucleoplasm, it is simply the matrix structure. That is, matrix means the inside structure. So that's why it is simply also called as the nuclear matrix. That means the structure that is present inside the nucleus. So the nucleoplasm contains chromatin and nucleolus. So this is the nucleolus and the chromatin material that is present inside it, that is called as the chromatin, and that is the main difference between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. So that means what is the cytoplasm and what is the nucleoplasm, or what are the difference between them? So the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm, they contains mostly the watery substances, and besides the watery substances, the nucleoplasm contains the chromatin, and this chromatin structure that is present inside the inside the nucleoplasm, and that's why it also helps in the, because of the presence of the chromatin, it also helps in the formation of DNA and the RNA, which is absent in the cytoplasm. So that is the main difference between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm, that the chromatin material is present inside the nucleoplasm, and that helps in the formation of the DNA and the RNA, which is absent in the cytoplasm. This is the main difference. Another difference is the cytoplasm is less sticky, while the nucleoplasm is highly sticky or highly gelatinous. What is the gelatinous or the highly sticky? That means it is present in more concentrated manner in comparison to the cytoplasm. So they are the two difference between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. One is the presence of the chromatin in the nucleoplasm, another is it is the highly sticky or the highly concentrated structure in comparison to the cytoplasm. So they are the main difference between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. So besides the nucleoplasm or the DNA, also the RNA are present inside the nucleoplasm, and it contains many hydrolytic enzymes. That means the nucleoplasm, which also contains many hydrolytic enzymes, So hydrolytic enzymes means the main difference or the main function of the hydrolytic enzymes means they cleave the biomolecules. For example, the peptidase. The peptidase means it cleaves the protein or the peptide bond. That's why it is called the peptidase enzyme. The peptidase enzyme, the function is to cleave the protein that is present inside the nucleus. Another is the ribonuclease. Nuclease means to cleave the nuclear bond or the nucleus, that means DNA RNA bond, that means to cleave the phosphodiester bond, that means to cleave the DNA and the RNA. The hydrolytic enzymes are also present, and the main important enzymes are also present, that is called as the DNA polymerase. So DNA polymerase, its main function is to, that is the DNA replication. So the DNA replication enzyme DNA polymerase is also present inside the nucleoplasm that helps in the replication of the DNA. So this is the main important function of the nucleus, and another function or the other function are also present. For example, many metabolic activities are also takes place in the nucleoplasm, and again most importantly it also helps in the maintenance of nuclear shape. That means it also helps in the maintenance of the nuclear shape. That means the nucleus shape is also maintained by the nucleoplasm. So this is the main function and the main structure of the nucleoplasm. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.